How would you like to maximize the value of scrap metal turning in chips? Minimize environmental liability exposure and the price deductions associated with coolant-contaminated shipments? Maximize the recovery of valuable cutting fluids? Minimize the floor space devoted to scrap metal storage? And help maximize your bottom line? You can do all this with one simple machine, a Recovery Systems Briquetter from Applied Recovery Systems, the machine that makes scrap pay. Hi, I'm Kimberly Dykeman, here to explain the benefits of Applied Recovery Systems' briquetting system and to help you decide if briquetting is right for you. Built in our modern U.S. 30,000 square foot facility, built for high reliability and low maintenance, Recovery System Briquetters are the culmination of 40 years of continuous engineering development. They are available in 8 models. 4 compact, cost-efficient industrial series models provide impressive performance with a throughput of up to 3,200 pounds of scrap per hour. If throughput requirements are more demanding, Applied Recovery System offers 4 high Production Foundry Units that produce up to 8,000 pounds of briquettes per hour. Both series deliver the flexibility to process a wide range of different metals with uncomplicated ease. Just load the 1.5 cubic yard hopper of the Industrial Series or the 4 cubic yard hopper of the Foundry Series with steel or cast iron scrap, copper or brass, aluminum, grinding swarf, even exotic materials like magnesium, titanium, or other alloys. Turn the switch and step aside as the Recovery System Briquetter compacts the scrap into dense briquettes that demand premium prices in the marketplace. Premiums ranging from 20% to 200% over non-briquetted scrap depending on the specific material and prevailing market conditions. A secondary economic benefit comes from squeezing cutting fluid or coolant out of the scrap for collection and recycling. The whole process takes about 12 seconds and works like this. Inside the compression chamber, the chips are loose packed into the briquetting mold by the gathering cylinder. Then the main ram compresses the material into a compact, densely packed briquette. The door opens and the briquette is ejected onto the takeaway conveyor. During compaction, up to 98% of the cutting fluid will be pressed out of the chip and forced to the briquette surfaces. The fluid then drains into the sump as the briquette rides the conveyor to your container. Using the finest PLCs, the Recovery System Briquetter is fully automated and self-monitoring. It can be set for continuous operation if desired, and virtually anyone with the ability to activate a switch can learn to operate this machine with just a few minutes of training. What's more, every Recovery System Briquetter is designed not only for hassle-free performance, but long, hassle-free service life as well. Features like heat-treated compression chambers and wear liners and other ruggedized components help ensure long-term durability no matter what type of material you briquette. You'll be amazed at the throughput capacity up to 3,000 pounds of aluminum per hour, up to 6,000 pounds per hour of cast iron or steel, and up to 8,000 pounds per hour of copper or brass. With productivity like that, this machine really helps make scrap pay. Care to know how much? Just call toll-free for a payback analysis at no obligation. Answer 5 simple questions and we'll tell you approximately how long it will take to recover your investment in a Recovery System Briquetter. Those questions are: 1. What type of scrap material are you generating? 2. In what sort of quantity per day? 3. What price are you currently receiving per pound? 4. What price are you paying per gallon of cutting fluid? 5. How much do you pay per ton or per load for transportation? Give us those facts and we'll give you more than a payback analysis. We'll work with your current scrap recycler or put you in contact with a broker who will pay you what we say your briquettes will be worth. And should you decide briquetting is the scrap metal solution you've been looking for, we'll apply our capabilities and experience in designing a system to your needs. All it takes is a toll-free telephone call to Applied Recovery Systems to begin cashing in on the benefits of briquetting. Benefits that include maximizing the value of scrap metal turnings and chips, minimizing the liability exposure and price deductions associated with coolant-contaminated shipments, maximizing the recovery of cutting fluid, minimizing the floor space devoted to scrap metal storage and maximizing your bottom line. All with one simple machine, a recovery system briquetter from Applied Recovery Systems is the machine that makes scrap pay.